Hello, and welcome to my talk on how to become a CRA. My name is Emma Kamadi, and I'm the founder of CRAHub.com. I'm a registered member of the Institute of Clinical Research with 4 years experience in the industry. Today I'm going to talk to you about what is a CRA, what is the purpose of a CRA, what they do, how to become a CRA, and what services are available to support your application. So, what is a CRA? CRA is a Clinical Research Associate. They're also known as a Clinical Trials Monitor, a Clinical Trials Scientist, or a Site Manager. The title varies from company to company, but they generally do the same things. So what is the purpose of a CRA? According to ICH GCP section 5.1.18, CRAs safeguard the rights and well-being of human subjects in clinical trials. They ensure accurate and verifiable data is recorded in the source documents and compliance with GCP, the protocol, and regulatory requirements. CRAs generally promote public health and play a key part in the drug development process by ensuring that safe drugs go from bench to market. They also serve as the first point of contact linking the sponsor to the investigator. So what do CRAs actually do? The activities generally vary from company to company, but it starts with the investigator meeting. Here they receive protocol and study-specific training from the sponsor. They generally get the opportunity to meet and greet the global team and their site team. The next step is to organize an initiation visit. This is where you make sure that all the essential documents are in place for the beginning of the trial, and they train the site on the protocol and any study-specific requirements. The next step will be to perform on-site monitoring visits, where source doc verification takes place, the recording of adverse events and serious adverse events, drug accountability, ensure adherence to the protocol, good clinical practice, and regulatory requirements. At this stage, we'll also drive recruitment as and when necessary. At closeout, we'll organize archiving, the closing of queries for the database lock, resolving all drug accountability queries, and checking the essential documents are up to date. This is also where the final discussion with the PI takes place. So how do you become a CRA? What are recruiters actually looking for? They're looking for a life science or medical related degree or higher, or a nursing qualification with experience in clinical research. So who to work for? What companies should you target? Generally you should look for CROs, which are clinical research organizations. They usually receive outsourced work from pharmaceutical companies and biotechs. You can either apply directly to a pharmaceutical company or directly to a biotech. They usually specialize in monoclonal antibodies. You can speak directly to recruitment consultants, but they're generally looking for people with experience, but still worth a chat. Or you can go for vendors, such as central labs or clinical research service providers. So, for your application process, what do you do next? Best thing to do is to locate an employer and find out about the company. Prepare a CV and cover letter and tailor it to the role of a CRA. And for experience, ideally you can look for a trainee CRA position. They are quite scarce, but they're still available. You can attempt shadowing a CRA or going on a co-monitoring visit to have a look at what they do at a closer level. Or you can get direct experience by working as a CTA, which is a clinical trial assistant, or a clinical trial administrator. The next step is to prepare for competency questions, which you'll face at interview level. And you can also speak to recruitment consultants to find out about roles, availability, what's going on in the market, and just to generally find out what they're looking for in their ideal candidate. So, what specialized services are available to you? What we provide through the site is free material in the form of links to useful web pages, free resources, i.e. certified courses, and useful talks so you can keep abreast in what's going on in the world of science and medicine. And we also have forums for you to have discussions, ask questions, and pick the brains of more senior CRAs. We also offer a 3-tier package. That's in the form of bronze, which is the CV cover letter streamline service, the silver, which is a webinar training session on how to handle competency-based questions, and the gold package, which is mock face-to-face interview, which will be in front of a panel. For more information, please check out the dedicated page on the website. So in conclusion, what we've talked about today is what is a CRA, what they do, how they do it, how to become a CRA, services available to support your application. So all that remains now is for you to check out the website. That's www.crahub.com, www.crahub.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for listening. Bye.